What if the portable air compressor you're trusting to save you on a dark, rainy night fails? You see the specs, but you don't see the overheating, the painfully slow fill times, or the cheap gauge that leaves you stranded. You're wondering which one can actually air up all 4 truck tires without burning out, which one is truly reliable, and which one is just a cheap gimmick. The guesswork ends right now. After putting over 20 top models through brutal real-world testing, we found one compressor that's an absolute beast, and a popular Amazon pick that could be your worst nightmare. These are the only 5 portable air compressors worth your money in 2025. Number 1. DeWalt Tire Inflator Portable. Our 20V Max * corded/cordless air inflator can run on any one of 3 power sources ** for maximum versatility, 20V Max * battery, 12V DC, or 110V AC. Use it on the job site, or on the go. It features a high-pressure rubber hose for durability. The threaded chuck and included onboard accessories make it easy to inflate items from tires to footballs. Setting desired air pressure is simple with the digital gauge, and the auto shut-off provides accurate inflation. The high-volume hose allows fast inflation of mattresses and other inflatables with the push of a button. Move the hose to the deflation port for quick and easy takedown. An onboard LED light helps to provide illumination in dark spaces. Heavy-duty rubber feet help reduce walking while in use. Battery, charger, and AC power adapter sold separately. Number 2. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 cordless air compressor excels at inflating heavy-duty vehicles quickly, such as pickups, trucks, off-road vehicles, not to mention regular cars, bicycles, balls, pool floats, and air mattresses, not for SUPs. Ultra-fast inflation, 1.5 CFM at 0 psi or 42 L/min at 0 psi. VORTEX S6 air pump fills a 31-inch tire in 1 minute, 30 to 35 psi. Gauge accuracy plus or minus 1 psi, 160 psi max. Built-in 19,200 mAh lithium battery, VORTEX S6 can inflate 18 F-150 tires, 245/70 or 1731-inch, from 30 to 35 psi on full charge. Along with USB-C 45W dual-direction fast charging port, capable of both rapid charging and powering electronic devices. 100% duty cycle, highly durable dual-cylinder coupled with a dedicated cooling system, you can continuously inflate all 4 tires of F-150, 245/70 or 1731-inch, from 0 to 35 psi, without the need for brakes in between. Auto Stop, the portable tire inflator for car stops automatically when the target pressure is reached. It also has 7 preset modes and preset pressure memory. 1000 lumens LED light provides ample illumination in the darkness. You can even use it as a camping lantern. Number 3. Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable. Built with the highest quality materials, Airmoto is a portable tire inflator for car, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Quickly inflate your vehicle's tires in just minutes with precision accuracy up to 120 psi. Small and compact car air pump that fits in your glove box or trunk. Auto shut off. Use the plus and dash control buttons on the Airmoto to easily select your desired pressure. Simply connect the air hose to your car and press the middle start button on the electric air pump. Once the correct pressure has been reached, the Airmoto will automatically shut off. The cordless car tire pump makes it easy to reach all tires without a hassle. Main highlights: easily change between PSI, kPa, bar, and kg/cm pressure units with a push of a button, easy to read large LCD, digital tire pressure gauge, built-in LED flashlight for low light conditions, deflate button for decreasing pressure, air hose stores inside, powerful 2000 mAh rechargeable battery with fast recharging, rated to 120 psi. Note: battery performance depends on a number of factors, tire size and type. Inflating larger or high-pressure tires can drain the battery more quickly. Temperature: cold weather can reduce battery efficiency. Proper charging: for optimal battery performance it is recommended to fully charge the pump before every use. Number 4. Air Compressor. Master tire pressure adjustments manually with the VIAIR compressor. Connect to your tire, switch to start, and monitor the gauge. When nearing your target PSI, manually pause to check accuracy. If overinflated, use the pressure release valve to dial it back. Rugged construction handles RVs, trailers, or off-road rigs with hands-on control. Safety shield and rugged build, this air pump for tire withstands extreme temperatures, -4 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, resists corrosion and impacts. Metal sand tray of this air compressor is equipped with 4 anti-vibe rubber feet to keep it stable on mud, sand, or uneven terrain, so that it can survive extreme condition and off-road demands. Reliable and peace of mind, this tire inflator combines an inline pressure gauge with release valve for precise inflation and deflation. The leak-proof screw-on brass chuck of the air pump for tire ensures hands-free operation, while corrosion-resistant 12V direct battery alligator clamps deliver reliable 45A power for maximum airflow. Note: for optimal battery life, keep your vehicle running during operation. Precision and power, inflate 22+ large tires, RVs, off-road vehicles and more in minutes with a 125 psi compressor, 160 lpm/5.65 CFM airflow. The plus or minus 2 psi pressure reading ensures accuracy, while a 26 feet heat-resistant hose and 7-foot power cord reach all tires on large rigs. With 45 minutes of continuous runtime, this 12V air compressor is your go-to solution for emergency flats, off-roading prep, or ditching unreliable gas station air pumps. Number 5. LASFIT TK1 Tire Inflator Portable. 50 lpm airflow with upgraded dual-cylinder and more powerful motor, this car tire inflator can quickly inflate 255/55/ or 20 tires from 29 psi to 36 psi in 45s. Faster solve all emergencies and road trips. Fits large tires and truck. 2025 upgraded dual-cylinder makes this tire pump outstand in inflating pickup truck and other large tires, e.g. Inflate 285/70/ or 17 tire from 29 psi to 36 psi in 3 minutes. Ideal car essentials for pickup truck drivers. Smart auto stop, free your hands when inflating. Easier to use LASFIT TK1 portable tire inflator to inflate your cars with intelligent auto shut off. When PSI reached, this tire inflator will stop automatically. Pressure accuracy within plus or minus 0.5 psi. Larger capacity batteries, comes with 12,000 mAh batteries. This cordless tire inflator can inflate 27 PCS 255/55/ or 20 tires from 29 psi to 36 psi. What's more, this tire pump can be used as power bank and LED lights for emergency. And that's the definitive list. No more confusion, just cold, hard facts from real testing. Whether you're a daily driver, an off-roader, or just need peace of mind, your perfect compressor is now clear. Ready to never be stranded with a flat again? All the models we championed, with the best prices and direct links, are down in the video description for you. If this review saved you from a roadside disaster and helped you find a true lifeline, please show your support with a like. Share this with every driver you know, and subscribe because next week, we're testing the one emergency tire repair kit that actually works, and the results will shock you.